Haphazard is an adjective that describes something as lacking any plan, order or direction, often appearing random or chaotic. Origins. The word combines hap, meaning chance from Old Norse hap, and hazard, originally meaning risk or danger, from Arabic al-zahar, referring to dice or chance. It entered English in the 16th century to describe events or actions occurring by chance or accident. Loose explanation and usage. Haphazard is often used to describe disorganized or careless approaches to tasks, systems or situations. It suggests a lack of forethought or deliberate planning. Example sentences. The room was cluttered, with a haphazard arrangement of books and papers. The project failed due to a haphazard strategy and poor management. It has a cultural significance. The term reflects the consequences of randomness or disorganization in various aspects of life, from daily routines to large-scale projects. It often serves as a critique of inefficiency or thoughtlessness. Synonyms: random, without a definite plan or pattern; chaotic, completely disordered or confused; disorganized, lacking systematic arrangement or order. Antonyms: systematic, following a methodical plan; organized, arranged in a structured and orderly way; deliberate, done intentionally and with careful planning. A key takeaway: haphazard conveys the idea of randomness and lack of order, often implying carelessness or inefficiency. It serves as a reminder of the importance of planning and intentionality.